oh. Hey, heat. Oh. Hi, Chinekele yo. Na can't get me here, can't get me here, can't get me here. I don't know chamok. Him alone na my body they pepper me. I don't know the kind thing wey my husband do today. Oh. I no just know the kind thing wey my husband do today. All my this thing just dey hurt me. E just dey hurt me, dey hurt me. E just dey hurt me, e just dey hurt me. Hey, you can't use abeg o, make una dey see. You know say if I dey talk now, una go say I go talk outside. You understand me? I no know if I go tell Mankechi this one, Mankechi go dey talk now, carry me waka. Na make me now, I wan keep my mouth shut o. Hey, nothing I never see today o. My sister so since in the night, this my uh, my my husband no gree me make I rest. You understand? All my this thing just dey pain me inside, just dey pain me, dey hurt me like oven. Dey hurt me like oven. Una know one thing wey dem dey call agbo jadi na, agbo jadi wey dey pursue sugar o. Na I carry go give my husband o. I say make my husband take, so he go fit dey do that one na wella. If you go fit dey knack am wella, you know that kind of thing. I come go tell my husband make he test o. Make he test o. I no know wetin he come. As the thing, as him test the thing, the thing come be like say na too much work, overwork wan kill my husband o. Overwork o. My body don catch fire like oven. I don use ice block, even where person go see block sef. To see block na wahala. Light dey dey, light no dey dey na. All my body just dey hurt me. E dey hurt me like say tomorrow no dey. The thing too hurt me. All my body just dey hurt me. Just dey hurt me. The inside just dey hurt. This man won't finish me in the night. You don carry me do jangrova. Everything jangrova finish. My sister, since as I wake up here, I don stay for my sitting room. I don stay tired. All my body just dey hurt me. I no fit cook for my children. I no fit do anything for my kids. I just tired. Even anything I no fit do. All my body inside like catching fire. I no know why I go carry agbo give my husband o. Una know agbo na. I carry agbo jadi. They say agbo jadi dey work. If you just drink am like this na kpa, the thing go dey this thing, you understand? Because my husband like sugar. I say make I the agbo. I come say okay, make I try. As my friend tell me about agbo, I say make I try the agbo now. Omo, my sister, na so I carry agbo give my husband o. My husband carry the agbo, drink the agbo in the morning. He drink am. The agbo, if you see the way wey the agbo dey work o, my husband did na so he make ge. I tell am say, papa Ebele, this one wey you dey drink like this o, I hope say I go sleep this night o. He say no problem, my wife, you just na to clear sugar. I don't know to clear sugar na to clear wahala o. I no know o. Na me I think say na one kind of drink wey him just drink. I no know say na wahala dey put for my head. I do mistake o go give my husband this kind of thing o. My sister, I don hot. All my body dey hurt me. My body just dey hurt me. I don fan. I use my clothes dey find the thing dey hurt me too much. As I dey talk with you so, the place dey catch fire, dey be like oven. I no understand. I don hot. I no understand this kind of thing o. Make una see this kind of my husband o. I do mistake go buy agbo for am o. I come go carry agbo jadi, the same kpoloku. I go buy am o. I carry am. I say okay, make him drink, make he fit dey do the thing as a man in the house. Omo, na so my husband come take the thing. Omo, the thing wash sugar well o. Comot sugar for him body. Na so my husband dey knack the thing. Na so dey knack the thing. All the pillow wey he say no well, he don use my body with finish pillow. My body he don use am finish pillow, finish all my body. I don't know what to do. All my this thing dey hurt me like oven. Abeg, if una know wetin I go put there, make una tell me o, because the place dey catch fire. I no know wetin I go put again. All my body just dey everywhere dey hurt. All my body, I don pour water, but water no do this thing. This thing dey catch fire every minute. I no understand o. I do mistake go give my husband agbo. As I give am agbo, e be like say na problem. Now I go find o. This man no gree me rest in the night. Na so the thing, if I dey sleep, the thing go dey chook me for back. If I dey sleep, the thing go chook me. And so he go tell me say make ngwa make we start. I tire. Make una tell me wetin I go do o. This one wan pursue me for this house o. I no fit rest, I no fit sleep under 1 minute. I no fit sleep. I no fit sleep. I no fit sleep o. I no fit sleep. This thing don hurt me tire o. Make una find something o. Make una go help me o. Make una help me tell me wetin I go do o. Because the thing, the place dey catch fire. In the night, the way this my papa ebere thing dey scratch dey hold in the night like this, na so the thing dey chook me for back. Dey chook me for. I say wetin be this wey dey chook me for back? Make I sleep na. He say I no fit sleep. No be me give am the agbo. I say make he clear sugar. Na problem I go clear for my for myself. I no know say na so the thing be o. Na so drink the agbo, everything just dey do for my body. Na so dey tell me say turn. Abeg na you give me the agbo, so make we dey do am. You be my wife. I say I be your wife. Go make I kill my pity for me na. I'm tired. I want to sleep. Too much work in the night, in the afternoon. So make I sleep. Make I just sleep. Honey, make I sleep. I dey beg you, make I sleep. He say no, I no fit sleep o. You no fit sleep because you are the one that give me this thing. He say sugar don finish me. Okay, now you give me this thing. This thing is working now. It's problem. His problem. I wan make you finish am. Make we finish am. We go finish am today. Me, I don tire. And me, I no wan go tell Aproko, because if I tell Aproko go come talk join for my case, join am, and he go carry me go outside. He go go dey talk. Oh my Bobby, my husband don finish am. You go sleep here. Even the pillow I never buy. I don tire. All the thing dey chook me for back. Don chook me for my back. The thing don pain me on my waist. You no see me. If you say I slim now, if you don't see say I don't think, I don't lean. Now because of I get body. You see my body thick like this. So now make they affect me. I understand that my strength is going. Is why I'm telling my husband is okay. You know 1 year. Okay, now I rush to come outside. Because as I rush to come outside, you want to continue doing. I tell him no, me I'm tired. I don't want to faint. This man want to kill me. I think I beg you children. I beg when I dey home, make una come give me fan. I beg these people, make una give me fan. I beg fan. I need fan. Make I put fan for my body. Oh, make I put fan. Give me fan, children. Give me fan. Heat won't kill me here. Heat. Give me fan. Oh. Heat won't kill me. If you see the way this thing dey hurt me, I don't know say na so this one. I don't know. I for no give am agbo. I for no give am agbo. I'm telling you, I for no give am agbo. I don't know say as I give am agbo, na problem I dey create for myself. I don't know say na problem I dey create for myself. This one, e don pressure, take am, chop am everywhere. I don't know wetin I do. Papa Ebere today o. Papa Ebere don finish everything. All this one, he don press. Na so dey press am. Na so dey sleep. I tell him, okay, put your head in the other. That's why I make I fit put my head there. I'm no fit sleep. He say no, you are my wife. He carry one of this one. He put am like this. He sleep. I say take am easy now. It's for my baby. You say I'm baby first before that your baby. I'm the one that will put it before your baby will come. So I beg me, I don't understand though. This thing is, I don't know. Oh my, this thing is hurting me. I will not lie for you people. It's hurting me. It's catching fire. The thing is catching fire too much. I don't know. If you have anything, why I go rub there so that the fire will stop. You tell me because I don't understand. You see now, I don't wake up. Oh, I say make I still dey look sharp for him. Oh, I still go paint. I paint on my face, make I feel look sharp for him. But now my husband, but the way they take do the thing, if you say I know, I for no even accept. If you say I know, I for no accept for him. Oh, I for no go buy that thing. Oh, now this woman, I tell me, I buy and say it's good. You go comot sugar. I don't know say na top I go dey find. I say this man no let me sleep. You take this one, after you take this one, you go take this one, you go come there make am na so you dey do you go sleep, you go sleep. I tell am say remove your mouth, I don tire. You go say no, na my own. I tell am say the baby, my baby will take. He say no, na me be baby first before that your baby. Abeg, make una help me. I don tell you, abeg, make una tell me wetin I go use for this thing o, for this no na drop am tell me make I know wetin I go rub. Abeg, God bless una. Abeg, I don tire.